Hey, I'm here for John Holland, who are doing the Glenroy level crossing crossover to pull 3 beehives over 3 trees. I've already started this one. They'd abandoned this half, which made it really easy, so I was able to then smoke and smoke until we got the queen in a cage. And I'll just be back in the rest, then I'll chainsaw into the cavity, get the rest of the comb out and go on to the next tree. So exciting day, and thank you to Ben from Ben's Bees who passed this over to me because he wasn't able to get to it. So awesome, have fun. Okay, so that was a huge tree that had to come down with termites and everything. There is a few left over, I'd say less than 50. 2 cavities, all empty, queens caught, and we'll move on to the next tree. Okay, we are now at the second tree, which is quite tall. They're in here. That hive undoubtedly goes down in the rotted section, and I suspect a little bit up on the left hand side. Fun, 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 fun. Okie dokies. This is the third hive. Okay, there's a lot of waste wax on the ground which we'll have to clean up, but that's the hive out. The queen, it took us 4.5 hours to catch the queen. She just kept running and running, and we were getting frustrated, but we got her in the end. A lot of drones left in the hive, and very few worker bees, so all good. We'll just clean up tomorrow, do the other one tomorrow because we've run out of time today to do the last one because of curfew and things like that. But yeah, not much time to do videos today, we've just been flat out. We're back at the second tree, and on the next day because we ran out of time pre-curfew, so we're just going to second hive out this tree, or third hive if we count them in order that the jobs have actually been completed. The second hive yesterday was huge, but so far we're 2 for 2. We have 2 queens, 2 hives, so now we're going for 3 queens, last hive. So we've exposed the hive. It's not a huge one unless it does go deeper in an unusual way, but it looks like that's the bulk of it. Just there'll be a few layers. Today and yesterday we had Eliza from the crossing level removal that thing here at Glenroy, and she's been extremely helpful in having fun with these bees. So now we'll get cracking. There we go, Eliza's happily playing with the bees. We've corrupted her. She's going to leave her environmental management work and become a beekeeper. Or attempting, but all not. Okay, the hive is looking pretty. It's not a huge hive. It's about what I normally expect to find in a tree. Most trees aren't huge, but there we go. Okay, the queen was hiding in under some propolis. see her running around in, she's in under there. There she is, nice tiger queen. Just got to try to get her. Okay, we have the queen in the cage. We've still got a bit to pull out, just mostly honey and some bees, but I'm going to put her in the box and then vacuum and get the rest of the honey. The queen's now in the box, and Eliza has just passed me the torch, but she's vacuuming away, clearing out the last of the bees, and then we'll cut the last of the comb out. Okay, so the hive is mostly done. There will be some foragers and robber bees that come back that have missed the boat, but we've got the queen, we've got the brood, we'll feed the honey back to them. On the whole, we're done well. There we go. I've just come back to that big hive just to clean up the residue wax, because as you can see there is some robber bees, but last night, because of restrictions, lockdown restrictions and whatnot, we weren't able to hang around and get the last little bit, because otherwise I would have been stuck in getting caught in curfew. But anyway, so that's all done. Eliza looks happy. I think she's had a reasonably alright week with this, exciting times. But on the whole, all done.